Welcome to the Wild Wild West. Welcome to the Wild Wild motherfucking West, baby. Good afternoon, DJ. It's Wednesday, April Fools. April 1st, time is currently 1:21 p.m. Wild Wild West, we about to, oh my gosh, it just fuck up right now. We about to kick off Wild Wild West. Way, hey, 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 hey. Back to my desk at 120, DJ. As always, my weekly target is 5%. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay. Much better, in a much better space than I have been previously. So I'm happy and appreciative for that. Um, Excited to see what price action has in store for us this PM session going into the Wild Wild West. Excited to continue to grow, all right, and better learn how to navigate these tough terrain waters that we're about to enter into. Hand on the trigger, we're ready. All right. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. News. All right, NFP Wednesday. We've had high impact and medium impact news today. Still makes it an optimal day to take a trade. Risk going into today, we are 0.5 of account size and we have a max of 1.5. We haven't taken any trades today, really. So everything is still in effect. All right. Weekly program going to this week is a buy program. Nothing's really happened in price to change up for us. If anything, is kind of confirming our weekly program for us. Okay, our session buys is also confirmed as buys as we took daily range buy side this morning. Okay, so we're waiting for a retracement to then anticipate the continuation higher. All right, our initial first draw on liquidity has been hit. Obviously, price didn't give us the opportunity to be in that market, which is fine. Nothing wrong with that. All right, our next draw on liquidity will be buy side up here as we continue to adjust the daily range and follow price action through our field of play. Okay, until this doesn't change, until price drops and comes and takes daily range sell side, which would then flip our buys into sells, and we'll be looking at sell side draw liquidity. But for now, until that happens, we're gonna assume and always anticipate higher prices. All right, so nothing really much happened in price since we've been gone from lunch. I think we ended here somewhere. Yeah, we did end here. No, 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 no. I'm seeing for lunch. Potentially maybe here, but this again is the same thing as yesterday, your PM session, right? Right in the premium, right at the high of the rate of the dealing range. So for me, I'll be weary to get into these trades. I don't mind getting into them, but I'll for risk wise, just because we're already in at the top already, right? I'll need to reduce risk in terms of buying in the premium. Not that I won't be able to buy in the premium, but right, I have to be aware that I'm in the premium and I'm also buying in the premium prices, right? So risk needs to be adjusted for that. What's the high of this? Highs 331, 33150. Oh, I didn't get that lost. Did you? I didn't think it would matter, 33175. Yeah, this is the highest. 33150. Cool. Going into the PM session, this is our daily range. All right, we're still anticipating higher prices. So I cannot see on my 1 minute. All right, I'll just have to move the 1 minute a bit lower. All right, there. And we're ready for PM session kickoff. Above price, okay, we have previous week's low, it's like previous week's high, all right, as a potential draw. do have these relative equal highs here too. Get AM session buy side and sell side up in here. Because it can be a factor, all right, going into PM session. It'd be a pretty array to frame an entry on. We can put sell side in there. I feel good today. I feel good today. I'm in a good mood today. I feel good. Um, yeah, because recently I haven't been feeling all that great, but today is like the start of something new there. Feeling good. PM session kicking off. All right. Let's confirm lunch. I feel good. Da, 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 da. I knew that I. Da, 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 da. you. It's so good. So good. I got it. You who like I ate today and I wasn't even tired. Lunch felt like long and relaxing. Usually after lunch, like after I eat, I'd be like mad tired, like ready to sleep. But today I'm up, I'm pumped. It's a good day to have a good day. You know why? Because it's a week of my Lord's death, burial, and resurrection, baby. Tomorrow is the day he got crucified. So DJ, I'll be fasting tomorrow. Okay, I'll be fasting. Tomorrow is a fast day for me. That's why I'm getting on my yummy today. Putting that time for tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? Putting that time for tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? All right. I don't really like this. I'll watch it, but I'm not feeling it for an entry for me right now. But I will be paying attention to it. Slow does take a high though, so it meets the criteria for an entry, but for me right now, I need to see more. It's Wild Wild West, so I need more from price than this look thing. But we'll watch it. We'll observe regardless, right? We'll observe it. We feel no type of way. At least we've seen our retracement potentially. Now we're anticipating our continuation. Oh, it is the first of the month, isn't it? That's why this shit is there. I'm like, what? That's why I was so confused this morning. I'm like, what is going on right now? But yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Yours right. I was wrong. Looking like continuation is gonna be the move here. Right now, we'll have to come all the way back up here and take this buy side for me to be interested in a continuation buy. I guess I can delete all of these now and just have this bearish market structure shift with market structure shift, but that's pretty much all I need really. Yeah, that's pretty much what I need. simple things. You know what I mean? -1. Entry here, -1. 1.5, something will be coming off as well here because of the retracement setup. Oh, 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 oh. -2 on that. Do have lunch low below price too. So valid trade, right? Valid trade. Fair enough. It did meet all the criteria, like I said. I just, mm, I wasn't feeling it. But that's fair. Now I know to take my feelings out of it, right? Now I know to take my feelings out of this bitch. I do want to see it take lunch low. It doesn't have to. I would want to see that before engaging in the setup. But if it doesn't and it gives me an entry, I will engage. It's the motherfucking Wild Wild West. First trade into the Wild Wild West. Winner, winner. Just didn't look how I wanted it to look, right? But it met all the criteria. So fair enough. Let's smash that lunch low. You know you want to. Don't require it to, but I would like it to. All right, taking lunch low there, which is what I wanted to see. So I'm happy with that. Now I can get in the trade and feel no type of way. The damage is done. -2. Well, -3 on that retracement setup there. Did its thing. Did its thing, the thing, the thing, thing. Does take a high too, so yeah. It was a fair setup. Fairs. Fair, 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 fair. Fair, fair, fair. Uh, see how many contracts it would have got us in. 8. Oh, decent amount. We're back up on the highs again. Just need volume is probably low. 2 minutes to confirm open range buy side and sell side. Less than 2. Solid. I mean, it's Wild Wild West, right? I can't expect everything to look exactly how I want it to look, you know? To have that look, that feel, you know? Because anything is possible around here. Like this setup right here. Give it -4. Anything is possible. I think it's going to keep going really and truly, to be honest. All right, we can get the high. Buy side. And the low is about to be confirmed. Right now, right here. We're smashing that. That still needs to be the high, needs to go for me to be interested there. So high is where it's supposed to be. The unlikeliest trades turns out to be the sometimes turn out to be like, best trades. It's crazy, isn't it? Happy I witnessed it though. Don't mind not having been a part of it. Just happy I witnessed it. I was here. I saw it happen. Real time will lie. This is still the high that needs to go for me to be interested in the continuation, unless it creates a new high above this low key level. Nothing for me to do still. Just watching this trade hits its targets, target after target after target. That's what we're here watching right now. That's what we're paying attention to. -5. Smash through. How low can you go? How low can you go? Go low. Lower than you go. Should I have them just appear on here? It starts to get too cluttery then, yeah. Well, for now, we're cool. -6 on the way. Smashed. And we're still going. That was the most ugly looking trade I've seen, but doesn't matter, innit? Doesn't matter. He's doing his thing. He's doing his thing. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, baby. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. This is still the high that needs to go for me to be interested in a continuation setup, all right? Nothing for me to do here right now. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Except just watch this trade, right? Do his thing. That's all we're doing. We ready. We ready. Back to live trading. Today's the day. Today's the day for the review. Today's the day. Obviously, I'm not going to start something in the middle of the week, NFP week as well, Wild Wild West. So next week, we go for fun day, DJ. I think I'm ready. I don't know. What do you think, DJ? I'm ready. I've been consistent in following my procedure and protocols. Um, I've collected data. I've I've asked all the unanswered questions that pop up. So far, as we've been going, no new questions have been popping up. All right, and I've been following, being consistent and disciplined in following my procedures and protocols, and everything that I do has been the same. Every time I'm in the front of the charts when I come to the market has been consistent, has been the same. And yeah, no emotions, just executions, just logic, following my processes. And that's pretty much been it for me. So yeah, I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready. I know I'm ready. I know I'm ready. Just because of how I feel when I enter trades now, I know I'm ready. 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 It's exciting times around here for I'm the Trader Capital. It's exciting times. About to get some funding up in this bitch. And like I always say, nothing needs to change. Nothing's going to change, right? I'm going to be doing the same thing now, just with a potential possibility of moolah lula, moolah lula. Wait a minute. 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 Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Oh, 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 oh. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Oh, what are you doing to me? Oh, mate. All right. Fez. Whoa, whoa, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Just because we're heading towards this key level discount range. All right. Adjusting the high. Now that's the high. When we get there, that's the high I'll need to see go to be interested. -8 smashed on that retracement set up there. Until price trades to and through this key level, this discount array, this will not be in effect. It will still be this high. There it is. Now this is the high I'll be interested in to frame an entry on. If it gives it to me. -9. Nice. 8 contracts, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's -8 right there. What a banger. What a banger it was. Didn't look it initially, but it met the criteria and did what it's supposed to do. Boom. Emotions, no, yeah, feels out of it. Criteria is what I'm after. Meets my criteria. I don't care how it looks, right? I don't care how it looks or how I feel. It's not about my feelings. It's not about my feelings. We don't feel trade, hope and feel trade. -10. Woo, 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 woo. Woo! Trade of the day right there for me. And even though I wasn't part of it, still ecstatic that I got to witness it and watch it do its thing. And watch it do its thing, the thing, the thing. The thing, thing. How did we use that in the morning? Yeah, we still have right here relative equal lows potentially. And give you a re-entry right there if you wanted to be in there that bad. Yeah, I'm saying. Still premium, right? Chocoloko banga. Thank you for your support, of course. Any people who just come on board, you are all very, very welcome. Once the next candle closes and confirms that swing high, we will adjust our market structure shift to that high. Until this candle closes, it hasn't confirmed anything. Nor is it even our trading times, right? We've still got about 9 minutes. Or 2:30 to be upon us. upon us. I want to meander in the next like 6, 7 minutes. And then as soon as 2:30 starts to come, boom, boom, boom. That would be the ideal situation, right? For me right now, that would be ideal because I have to wait for 2:30 regardless. So meander around for the next 7 minutes. Do what you gotta do for the next 7 minutes. And then 2:30, do that damn thing, you know what I mean? Thank you for your support. And the people who just come on board, you are all very, very welcome. Let me stop this way. do nothing all day. Have nothing, no problem, no qualms whatsoever with that either. You know, you get to witness this beautiful setup here, so it's more than enough for me in my session. You know what I mean? Mhm. PJ, I'm about to fall. Mhm. 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 But TMI, TMI, TMI. This my daily journal. I do what I want. Silent but deadly. I thought it was gonna be loud. That's why I said so. If I knew it was gonna be silent, I would have just kept it to myself. I would have just kept it to myself. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Ah.
about optimal concealment and optimal safety setup for equipment. Like, not everyone carries guns. Carry guns or generally one carries the work. There's lots of other books talk about carrying medical equipment. You can carry other preparedness things. And most of that things is totally overrated. Generally, people are going to have like their belt or shoes and shoelaces. You need to have like a circuit or something like that. So you can use your shoelace belt. You need to have one shoelace. Make sure they're cotton. They work really well. But the real concern isn't like medical things like that. So if someone's trying to kill you, you have the proper loadout set up. You want to be able to wear normal casual gear. You want to be able to look normal and not stand out. You don't want to feel target. You want to make sure you have an optimized amount of equipment necessary. So pretty standard thing for most people. It's going to be a nice appendix carry holster. I have my primary gun. I can deal with whatever threats there are. Sometimes there might be more threats where maybe I shoot, I have to reload. Other options though, backup gun. So you can go with your backup gun. So the backup gun is great. Sometimes things don't go well at all. Gun malfunctions, there are other issues, maybe both guns malfunction. So you're gonna make sure you have that tertiary gun.
Oh yeah, the third one. How many guns you got on you, my guy?
So you have that tertiary gun, you're dealing with things, but this is optimized for like right side cover. If you have left side cover, just for sense. So you're not going to want to use that tertiary gun. You're going to want to go to your left side cover gun. And then from there, optimize for that left side cover. And it might seem expensive right now. So I have 4 guns field on, but I have they also feel really well. But in real worst case scenarios, that might not be enough. So I can have my fifth option.
Fifth options? Nah, you're ODing it, my guy.
Right? You have a fifth gun, so it's like right side. You have to get to that. You might need to go to the shoelaces to make sure you don't bleed out. But then once you're running around to the working, now have that backup gun. That fifth option. Just something to consider, and I understand this is not going to be for everybody, but really feel, quite well. It's not even something. You can sit down, drive the car, whatever, go about your day, normal life, have optimized maximum self-protection. That's really what we're
That's gonna be a joke, no? That's so funny. I like the hoster though. Check the website out again. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. At this point, it's just gonna be like one contract in it. Yeah. But that's not my setup though, but I'm watching you. Making sure I'm on the right account. Now it's out of our hands. Nothing we can do. Was it all for look, oh, sig. Mhm. 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 Mhm.
Then thinking that the people actually saw you, thinking that they had actual vision, but in reality, it's fake. In reality, these are not actual people. And although they may have a message that is good, the underlining of that is deceptive because these are not real. And imagine if you publish, share this page, and they're giving you receiving videos like this, and then they flip the script and they start giving you teaching prophecy, and they start slipping in accepting words that teach you to either go against God, to rethink scripture, even though the scripture is sound. Like Peter says, and that Paul said it's profitable, and that all scripture is God breathed. So saying that we are heading like an era of a leadership position, they, yeah, that might be they 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 that they don't have the kid, like they yeah, they right here, the bottom of the like this, right? They they actually they, and then they also wanted to they, they,
All right, all right, all right, all right. Um, do a trade performance review here. Um, what I did well, DJ, is that I showed up. I got 1% better. All right, gained experience, learned lessons that'll take me to my next trading day, next trading session. Showed up, stuck to my procedures and protocols, and didn't deviate from it. All right. And yeah, pleased with my performance today. Where I fell short would be, I guess, right, bringing my feelings into this trade and not entering, right? Because it meant like why was happening, I'm like, it meets all the criteria, but I don't feel, I said feel, right? I don't like the look of it. I didn't feel like taking it. All right. So I'll say where I fell short today would be bringing my emotions into the chart and not being logic, right? Hey, my criteria and everything was met. Enter the trade, don't think twice about it. Doesn't matter how the candlesticks look, how you're feeling. We don't feel trade here, you know what I'm saying? So I'll say that's where I fell short today. Other than that, that would be it. This trade, sound trade, you gave me one contract to get in. Hey, I'm in there, right? It is what it is. It's out of my hands now. It's in the market's hands. Do what you do. How to improve for next day, next trading session is just keep showing up, right? Keep seeking excellence in everything that I do. Don't let short-term adversity, losses, series of losses deter me, distract me from what I got going on here. Keep sticking to my model procedures and protocols and try not to bring feelings into this, right? As long as my entry criteria are met, I'm pulling the trigger. I need to pull the trigger, all right, and not bring emotions and feelings and hope and pray into this type of thing, right? So logical thinking. Hey, my criteria are there. Bing, bing, bang, bush. Execute the trade, and the outcome is out of your hands, right? I've done my part, but other than that, solid day. Really dry day actually, but I wouldn't say dry. PM session, obviously, we saw this beautiful retracement set up here. And now we're in this continuation trade that's not really doing nothing, but hey, it's respecting its discount array so far. So I like what I'm seeing. As long as we're staying above this, I'm fine with that. I'm fine with the setup. All right, as long as we even left bodies tell the story, wicks do the damages. All right, we left the portion of it open. So I like this. I like the current signatures of price action right now, right? I like this current signatures telling me that potentially I'm on side. Right, until we come back into and start trading back in here, all right, then there's a problem for this trade. But for now, with what I'm seeing in the price action, I'm okay for now, right, with this trade. But regardless, hey, I followed my precision protocols. The outcome is out of my hands about me following my processes, which I didn't do right here in the in beginning of the PM session, which is fine. But now I've collected the data and banked that obviously it doesn't need to be perfect looking, right? As long as it hits all my criteria, all right, it's a fine trade for me to enter the market in. So data banked for that. And yeah, do better tomorrow, really and truly. NFP Thursday tomorrow, NFP Thursday. Obviously, we got high impact and medium impact news tomorrow. So we'll be here kicking off second day of April. Wow, we're in April already. God damn, it's Q2 already. Shit, man. Where is the time going? God damn. But yeah. We'll be back here tomorrow, kicking off at 9:15. As always, DJ, you know what it is, what it is, what it isn't. I'll keep you posted on this trade tomorrow. All right, but you already know where we entered and where our exit is at. Tomorrow, if it's worth mentioning, I'll mention it. If I forget, I forget. This is the price action. You can look in your charts and see what happens in the trade, right? If you want to keep up to the date with this trade here. But until tomorrow morning, DJ, that's it for me today. I'm the trader here signing out. Good luck. Good trading. As always, happy hunting. Catch you tomorrow.